Hi, my name is Shrikrishana Rao. I am part of SHRIDHAN Automation Private Limited. We are a Bangalore-based company, a manufacturing company who is into the level instrumentation primarily, and we also have some diaphragm seals on the pressure instrumentation side of things. We have been participating in Automation Expo for more than 15 years now, and we keep coming back to the show whenever we have some product launches. Like this show, we are launching our IoT solutions, and we are also promoting our panels business. It's a recent acquisition that we got ourselves involved into, and we are looking forward to serving the automation industry for the years to come together. Our experience with automation has been pleasant, and it's been a journey that has occurred. I can say ups and downs have been there, but it's been very pleasant, and that's why we're coming back to the show every single time.